Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you two no deposit bonuses that are still active right now. You can claim them, start trading with them, and most importantly, make real withdrawals, okay? So make sure you stick around to the end of this video because you don't want to miss this opportunity. So let's start with the first bonus. This right here is a $300 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it, okay? So I've been able to claim mine, as you can see it right here, and I'm already trading with it, okay? So once you meet their terms and conditions, you'll be able to withdraw from it, okay? So I want you all to head on to go and claim it. So let's get into the video as I show you all the steps needed to claim the $300 no deposit bonus. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below, okay? So once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel, okay? So it's going to bring you straight to this channel. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update, okay? And 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel if you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses. Please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos, okay? So like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates, okay? So please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos, okay, so that more people can benefit from it, okay? So let's go into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to impute your email. So we're going to be imputing your email. So once you do that, you click on get bonus, okay? So you're going to click on get bonus. So once you click on get bonus, it's going to bring over to this interface where you are to register. So you're going to be imputing your full name, your phone number, country, your state, your city, then the link to your Facebook page. You can ignore it if you want. Then Skype, you can ignore it if you want. Then once you're done doing that, you click on get bonus, okay? Yes, so once you click on get bonus, you can see it's loading. It is loading. So it's going to bring out this interface congratulating you on the registration of your trading account, and they're also going to send your login details to you. You're going to get your trading ID and your trading password. So you're just going to head on to your email. As you can see, I've gotten my trading password. They're also going to send it to your email. Okay, so I've gotten my trading password and my ID. So I'm just going to head on to MetaTrader 4. We're making use of MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, then click on that plus sign and click on existing account. Then I'm going to impute the name of the broker, which is Insta Finance Singapore. Then I'm going to be imputing my login ID and my password. Then I'll click on sign in. So as you can see, I've gotten my $300 no deposit bonus, okay? And I can use it to trade. You can trade with it and you can also withdraw from it, okay? So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, and it's still available, so you can go and get yours right now. So comment the country where you're watching from, and if you know that you got it, just let me know in the comment section, okay? All right, getting a $35. This is the site BTSC. You create an account. After that, you log in. So I've created mine. So this is me trying to log into the account. We are getting $35, but you will get $20 first. And once you verify, you will get additional $15 that you can use to trade with and withdraw the profit. You can see once you try to log in, you'll be sent a code to your email. So I would just simply copy and paste. If you also check your email, you will find out that you receive an email notifying you of $20, that you receive a $20 BTSC cash. I showed it in the beginning, but also if you head on to your notification, you will find a notification notifying you again that you received. You can see it, reward and congratulations. Okay, so you click on my reward, you will find it there. Okay, so you can click on redeem and then they will want you to get verified to get the $15 additionally. Now if you scroll below, you can see you have it for 60 days. So once you click on got it, you see it right there. Okay, and you will find the rules right there too. You can see this is another $50, but this particular one you need deposit, so we are not interested in that. But the one we got, we do not need deposit, so that is it. And let me know also if you got this particular one in the comment section.